Have you ever wondered what it's like to celebrate Christmas in Prague? Well, you're in for a treat. Today we're taking a virtual stroll through the enchanting streets of this historic city, all decked out for the holidays. From the twinkling lights to the festive market stalls, we'll be immersing ourselves in the magic of a Prague Christmas. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more captivating travel videos just like this one. So, are you ready to explore the magical city of Prague during Christmas? Prague, a city known for its enchanting architecture and rich history, becomes even more magical during the Christmas season. Imagine a place where fairy tales come to life, where each corner you turn reveals yet another architectural marvel, where the cobblestone streets echo the whispers of history. That's Prague for you, a city that's a symphony of old-world charm and modern vibrancy. But when the festive season rolls in, the city puts on an even more enchanting show. The Gothic and Baroque architectures, already a sight to behold, seem to gleam brighter under the glow of 1,000 twinkling Christmas lights. The iconic Charles Bridge, with its stone statues standing guard, is transformed into a stunning spectacle, the lights reflecting off the Vltava River below. The Old Town Square, with its astronomical clock and tin church, becomes a winter wonderland, the medieval buildings serving as the perfect backdrop for the glistening Christmas tree. The cobblestone streets, which have seen the passage of time and witnessed history unfold, take on a festive air. The everyday hustle-bustle makes way for the merry sound of carols, the laughter of children, and the happy chatter of locals and tourists alike. The aroma of traditional Czech Christmas treats wafts through the air, luring you to the street-side stalls. Prague's historical landmarks, too, don an air of festivity. Prague Castle, the ancient seat of Czech kings, watches over the city, its spires adorned with twinkling lights. The Dancing House, a modern architectural marvel, stands in stark contrast yet in perfect harmony with the city's historical landscape, its unique shape and design enhanced by the festive decorations. Each of these unique aspects of Prague, its stunning architecture, its cobbled streets, its historical landmarks, are all enhanced during the Christmas season. The city, already a mesmerizing blend of the old and the new, the traditional and the contemporary, becomes a magical wonderland, a place where every moment creates a cherished memory. As beautiful as Prague is, nothing compares to its vibrant Christmas market. Scene script. Step into the Christmas market and you're greeted by a feast for the senses. Imagine the sight of the Christmas market, a magical spectacle of colors and lights. Picture rows of beautifully decorated stalls, each one a tiny twinkling island of festive cheer. Their wooden frames are adorned with shimmering ornaments and dusted with a light sprinkling of snow, resembling a picturesque winter postcard. Garlands of holly and ivy drape the stalls, while twinkling fairy lights cast a warm, inviting glow. It's a visual symphony that captures the spirit of the holiday season. Now close your eyes and breathe in. The air is heavy with the aroma of traditional Czech Christmas treats. The sweet scent of trdelník, a sugary pastry, wafts through the market, mingling with the savory aroma of pražská šunka, a Prague ham roasted on an open fire. The spicy notes of Svareň vino or mulled wine drift through the air, warming you from the inside out as you imagine sipping on the hot, comforting beverage. The smells are intoxicating, a tantalizing preview of the gastronomic delights that await. And then there's the sound. The air is filled with the soft hum of conversation and laughter, punctuated by the chime of a vendor ringing up a sale. Christmas carols float through the air, a melodic backdrop to the festive hustle and bustle. The sounds of the market, from the laughter of children to the rustle of shoppers, create a symphony of sounds that is as comforting and familiar as a favorite Christmas song. But the Christmas market isn't just about food and decorations, it's also about the unique experiences it offers. It's about the feeling of community as you join locals and travelers alike in celebration. It's about the joy of finding the perfect gift or trying a new delicacy. It's about the magic of the holiday season, brought to life in a bustling market square in the heart of Prague. So step into the Christmas market, immerse yourself in a feast for the senses, and let the magic of the season sweep you away. From ice skating under the stars to watching craftsmen at work, the Christmas market is full of unique experiences. Imagine gliding across the ice, the chill winter air brushing against your cheeks while the twinkling lights of the Christmas market cast a magical glow around you. Ice skating in the heart of Prague's Christmas market is a unique experience that combines the joy of the holiday season with the breathtaking beauty of the city. Whether you're an expert skater or a beginner, It's an adventure that's sure to leave you with unforgettable memories. But the Christmas market offers so much more than just ice skating. As you wander through the bustling stalls, you'll come across artisans meticulously crafting traditional Czech Christmas ornaments. From delicate glass baubles to intricately carved wooden nativity scenes, each piece is a work of art that encapsulates the spirit of Christmas in Prague. Watching these craftsmen at work is not just a shopping experience, it's a glimpse into the rich cultural heritage of this enchanting city. And let's not forget the live performances that fill the air with the sweet sound of Christmas carols. Choirs, both local and from around the world, gather at the market to serenade visitors with their harmonious renditions of timeless classics. From the soft lullaby of Silent Night to the joyful chorus of Jingle Bells, these performances add a touch of magic to the already festive atmosphere. And for the foodies among us, the Christmas market is a gastronomic paradise. Indulge in traditional Czech Christmas treats like trdelník, a sweet pastry that's cooked over an open flame and dusted with sugar and cinnamon, or warm up with a steaming mug of sverek, the local version of mulled wine, as you soak in the festive cheer. These experiences, and so many more, make the Christmas market a must-visit destination during your trip to Prague. So come, immerse yourself in the magic of Christmas in Prague and create memories that will last a lifetime. Why should you consider spending Christmas in Prague? Well, let's take a moment to recap on the magic we've been exploring. Prague, the heart of Europe, is a city that wears its history with pride. Its cobblestone streets, majestic castles, and intricate architecture tell a story of centuries past, creating a backdrop that seems plucked straight from a fairy tale. Now imagine this enchanting setting adorned with the twinkling lights and festive cheer of Christmas. The Christmas market in Prague is not just a place to shop. It's a feast for the senses. The scent of roasted chestnuts and mulled wine fills the air, the sound of carolers echoes off the ancient stone walls, and stalls adorned with handcrafted trinkets and ornaments add a splash of color to the winter landscape. It's a place where tradition meets celebration, where every corner holds a new delight for the senses. But what truly sets Prague apart during Christmas is the unique experiences it offers. Imagine ice skating under the watchful gaze of a 1,000-year-old cathedral, or savoring a traditional Czech Christmas meal in a cozy tavern. How about attending a classical music concert in a Baroque church, or simply strolling through the city, taking in the magical atmosphere? These experiences, and many more, are what make a Christmas in Prague something truly special. But perhaps the most compelling reason to choose Prague for your Christmas getaway is the feeling it evokes. It's a feeling of stepping back in time, of rediscovering the true spirit of Christmas, away from the commercial hustle and bustle. It's the feeling of being part of a timeless tradition, of sharing in the joy and warmth that permeates the city. So if you're looking for a magical Christmas experience, Prague is the place to be. It's a city that embraces the holiday season with open arms, where every street, every square, every building becomes a part of the celebration. It's a place where Christmas isn't just observed, but lived. So if you're looking for a magical Christmas experience, Prague is the place to be. There you have it, a day spent experiencing the magic of Prague's Christmas market. Just imagine being surrounded by the crisp winter air, the scent of roasted chestnuts and mulled wine filling your senses, while the soft glow of twinkling lights dance on the cobblestone streets. We've journeyed together through the heart of Prague, unveiling its charm and the enchantment of its Christmas market. We've tasted the unique flavors, discovered one-of-a-kind gifts, and immersed ourselves in the spirit of the season that this city so beautifully embraces. Prague's Christmas market is not just a place, it's a feeling, a warm, joyful celebration that stays with you long after the snow has melted. It's an experience that goes beyond the physical realm, touching your soul, painting pictures in your memory that you'll cherish for years to come. But don't just take my word for it. Venture out to Prague, feel the magic for yourself, let the city tell its own story. And when you do, remember to carry that sense of wonder and joy with you, sharing it with the world, just as Prague shares its Christmas magic with us. And if you've enjoyed this journey, consider subscribing to our channel. We've got plenty more travel adventures to share, and we'd love for you to join us. Until next time, keep exploring and making unforgettable memories. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more travel adventures.